Welcome to London, John.
Thank you very much.
So nice to meet you. On behalf of the European Today, it's a pleasure to be presenting you and UMB Bank with your award, Corporate Bank of the Year in Ghana.
Thank you very much and I appreciate it. I would like to dedicate this award to our customers who are the reason we are still in business. We really appreciate their custom and this award actually goes to them. And also to our staff for the hard work and making sure that we are able to excite our customers at all times. I would like to also thank the European for recognizing the hard work. I know I'll be here again next year to receive a bigger one. Thank you very much.
Congratulations once again, John.
Yeah, most welcome.
Universal Merchant Bank, otherwise known as UMB, opened its doors to the public in 1972 as the premier merchant bank in Ghana. Now, they're recognised for their entrepreneurial approach, the innovative use of technology and distinctive banking solutions. Hardly surprising, therefore, that they've just been awarded Corporate Bank of the Year in Ghana. And today, their CEO, John Awuah, joins us to discuss their success. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
OK, before we look at the awards, let's take a look at the Ghanaian banking sector generally, because it has undergone some significant recent changes. Give us an idea about these changes and how your company has managed to navigate them to emerge successfully.
Yeah, the last few months has been a challenging few months for the industry. It's witnessed 2 bank closures and another one in administration by the central bank. But one good thing about the development is the fact that the central bank moved in at the right time, making sure that confidence in the environment is restored and depositors' money is guaranteed. And as banks, because we thrive very much on trust and confidence, we believe that central bank came in at the time that it was most needed.
And you were strategically positioned, brilliantly strategically positioned to take advantage of that.
Yes, of course. I mean, unfortunately, we wouldn't want to say we are excited about the development, but it comes with opportunities as well. And as a bank, we are looking at where we can benefit most, and we are taking advantage of the opportunities that this provides.
And another important part of your success is digitization, one of those words which is very difficult to pronounce. But look, the world is moving more in that direction. So how would you describe your digitization strategy, and would you say that you're ahead of the game in that?
I think I would say so. I would say we are very much poised to take advantage of the opportunities that technology provides. It's said, and I'm sure the statistics abound, that the next frontier in banking is going to be in people's homes, in their cars, in their offices, in schools. If you are a bank that is poised to be part of the future, then you must invest today in the right technology to be able to be the partner for the future. UMB, for every CD that we spend in fiscal infrastructure, we spend tenfold in technology, making sure that we are investing in the right places, and technology being the delivery outlet for the future, we are very much in the space. The last few days, we launched our groundbreaking mobile application, that is UMB Speed App. It's the #1 app in the country as we speak in terms of appeal and the kind of services that are available on the platform. We are looking at little things that we can digitize to take the bank away from our banking premises to the homes and to the offices of our customers.
And it's a real challenge, isn't it? Because technology isn't static.
It is. Unfortunately, the only change in technology is the fact that it keeps changing. And the only static thing about technology is the fact that it keeps changing. And we recognize that as a bank. That is why we are always on the lookout. We take customer feedback very seriously. We get a lot of insights from what customers tell us are their pain points. And we try to automate as much as possible things that create problems for our customers or for the generality of our customer base. So, yeah, it calls for a lot of investment. The fortunate thing about that is as you invest, you see the benefit almost next day because the technology, once available, can cut a lot of processes, can cut your operating cost quite significantly. The initial investment is huge, but the benefit can be extracted as quickly as possible.
Now, in the introduction, I mentioned the fact that you have won this award as the best corporate bank in Ghana, so congratulations. It takes a lot of gumption to win something like that, but I mean, what do you think sets you apart from your competitors in that area of corporate banking? Because there are lots of players pushing for the same thing, but why do you think you've got that head start?
I think it's our listening ears. We listen a lot to our customers. We don't just give products, we take products from our customers. And the good thing about the UMB corporate banking is the fact that we don't have products on our table. We tailor products to customers' demands, and that is why we have become a sticky bank for most of our customer base, and that's why we are not surprised that this award came at this time when banks are struggling in the country, and we emerge as the leader in corporate banking.
And what message does it send out, not just about the bank, but also about the Ghanaian banking sector? Because yes, it has had problems, but clearly things are moving in the right direction.
Yeah, it means that the industry is resilient in spite of the challenges that we have, which is, I wouldn't say normal, but is to be expected. That over time you find a few points that needs re-tweaking, and I'm sure we are in that stage of development, or should I say our evolution. So there are opportunities in the environment. Ghana is a youthful country, and a significant amount of opportunities in the environment. FDIs are up, everything is looking up. And as a bank, we can only look in the environment very carefully and extract where benefits can be taken as quickly. And that is what we are doing, and we are quite best at that.
And I want to pick up on one of those points that you made actually about Ghana being a young, exciting country and all sorts of things happening, because we've had the Ghanaian government recently launching the One District, One Factory initiative. So tell us about UMB's involvement with that programme. How are you moving it along, and what does it bring to the company?
I'm sure I would like the story to be told by the government officials. Actually, it's not, they say you don't blow your own horn, but we are the #1 bank when it comes to the government's flagship program of One District, One Factory, and what we call the stimulus package program. We are the #1 partner bank. We are the first bank to come out boldly and strongly that we believe in what the president said, and the fact that the country is at a stage where we need to move to the next level of our evolution. We have strong belief in the fact that the environment is ripe for industrialization, and that is why we have voted within our liquidity space about $100 million dedicated solely to the One District, One Factory program.
Okay, so if you and I are talking in 5 years' time, how will UMB look? What, in your opinion, will we be talking about?
I'm sure we'll be talking from our office in London.
Nice.
Yeah, we are quite poised to grow beyond our boundaries as we stabilize our environment and become much stronger in the country. The next frontier is moving beyond our borders, and we will definitely have a representative office in London sometime to come, not too distant future.
It'll be fascinating to see how you function in the Brexit world.
That would be good.
Excellent. John Awuah, we have to leave it there, but thank you so much for talking to us, and congratulations on that award.
Thank you very much. The pleasure is mine.
Excellent.
Okay.